Hello reviewers, welcome back to our channel. Today we will show you a collection of welding project ideas you can make as a beginner and welding project ideas you can make for sale or for market. So watch the video until the end to see these beautiful ideas and get inspiration. Welding is one of the most popular crafts these days. Welders have the capacity to fabricate several crafts by joining metals. You can take welding as a hobby or as a business, and there are numerous projects you can do both for indoors or for outdoors use. As you can see in the video, there are several crafts you can make. For example, this table and chair setup is one of a kind. This metal decorative piece is also easily manufacturable by beginner welders. You can take welding as a hobby or as a business, as I have mentioned previously. People need welders a lot. This career will get you many clients, especially if you want to go into the welding business. In fact, there are more jobs than welders, which is a great news for welders who would like to make a lot of money and get a fair pay. Since the number of welders is growing at a slower rate than the overall demand, there are many opportunities for you or for any person interested in the welding business. If you want to be a welder, you can be rich and busy at the same time. If you want to handle welding as a hobby, you can create several fascinating projects at your home workshop. If you are just starting up as a welder or you are an experienced welder, we have gathered you some ideas you can try. You can use these designs to try to make your own pieces at home. So watch the video until the end to never miss a thing and choose an inspiring design for your next project. You can even turn these plans or designs into a lucrative small-scale manufacturing business with a small initial investment on basic tools and materials. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you like what you see, please consider liking the video so that it could reach a wide range of audience. Smash the notification bell so that you'll be the first one to be notified when we upload new videos. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing if you haven't already and share the video with others. Mankind is born with an instinctive desire to design and create things, not only for practical purposes, but also for aesthetic value. Ancient cups and bowls reveal an interest in design and allow us to see some of the natural stages and progression of art. There are many kinds of welding to choose from, each with specific practical applications. When you start, you will find that some welding types are easier to learn while other processes can take years to master. Different types of welding work indoors while others are best applied outdoors. There are not as many fields you can get to work without a certificate or diploma as a welding career. That does not mean you don't require education or training. You need to have proper training to handle the welding devices and safely carry out your job. In addition, welders can obtain a welding certificate within months. You don't have to take years to master welding. You don't have to go to colleges or universities for a long period of time. You can master basic welding within weeks. Intelligence is judged by how well someone does in school, which doesn't take into account the creativity and intelligence needed to be a welder. If you want to move up in your career as a welder, you don't have to go to seminars and lectures or watch professors. Instead, all you need is the drive and motivation and willingness to get better at the craft. But that doesn't mean education is not important. When you begin your welding job, you need someone to guide you on how to use safely handle the tools and equipment, and use them to create useful items. Wherever you go, welding techniques are the same. Thousands of welders have left their hometowns and countries to show off their amazing skills all over the world. The good thing is that welding is pretty much the same everywhere. It's not like being a lawyer, where if you move to a different country you have to learn a whole new set of laws. Compared to other materials, metal is far more resilient in terms of various aspects. It could even last a lifetime if you can take good care of it. Unlike plastic, acrylic, glass and wood, which are fragile and easily destroyed or ruined by different factors, metal can withstand almost all conditions. This very reason is why most people prefer metal over anything else. Its strength, flexibility set the standard quality for all other materials out there. This means there are more metallic products needed and hence more tasks for welders. Metal is suitable in almost any design concept for homes, for professional and formal businesses, because it is a sleek appearance. Whether the metal table is displayed anywhere in the place, it gives off the impression that the person invested has exquisite taste in the objects they choose. As a result, more people are adding metal furniture to their homes and offices. As you can see in the video, there are a number of interesting welding project ideas for beginners or for experienced welders alike. This welding bench, for instance, could be mastered within a week or less. This is an outdoor barbecue setup which you can do with metals. This is a metal grill or a metal partition, and there are also different creations you can do. As you can see, this piece has intricate designs incorporated into it. This is a metal office desk with a wooden tabletop. There are also wall-mounted shelves, as you can see here, which come in handy for different purposes. Metal bed frames are also popular. The good thing about metal is that you can create it into different shapes. You can use different finishing techniques, you can use different types of paints and different grades of material as well, to create one of a kind and unique piece of furniture. Well, as you can see, there are several items you can make with metal. We hope you have enjoyed our today's content. Which ones did you like? What did you like about it? Share us your thoughts in the comment section. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. It takes a lot of time and effort to make these videos. Your subscriptions, likes and shares are what inspire us to create more content. Therefore, please consider subscribing to our channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching until the end. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Until then, stay safe and stay blessed.